Rock Transformations Unit, Lesson 1.3, Investigating How Rocks Are Formed. A reminder that you can access your digital resources in the lesson brief of every lesson. Activity 1, Warm-Up. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. For today's warm-up, you'll respond to question 1 and then stop. We'll have a class discussion before you move on. Students, respond to question 1 of the warm-up. Afterwards, we will share our responses to the first question. These cake images are a good example of the difference between a map view and a cross-section, which shows what the inside of something looks like. In the map view, which shows the cake from above, you cannot see what is inside of the cake, but in the cross-section view, you can see the cake has different layers. Let's look at the images in your warm-up as a class. What can you see in the cross-section view that you can't see in the map view? You might respond, in the cross-section view, you can see the layers underneath the Earth's surface and the rock underneath the ocean. Students, discuss and label the cross-section image in the second question. Complete question 2 of the warm-up. As you work, discuss how to label the parts of the landscape in the cross-section view. Let's compare the map and cross-section views. Which parts of the map view correspond to which parts of the cross-section diagram? This cross-section view is from the simulation, which you will use to investigate how rocks form and change. The sim is a model of the real world, but in the sim, the processes you observe are sped up so you can make detailed observations of how they work. In the real world, these processes happen too slowly to watch. End of activity. Be sure to complete all your student work in Amplify for this activity before moving on.